Oh, it's a nice.
Yeah,
view.
it is very nice.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
And Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a challenge. We are doing the Touch My Body Challenge.
Oh!
Do you know what it is?
Body parts? Like we need to touch
Yes.
body parts?
So one person's gonna be blindfolded, and then I'm gonna guide your hand to my body part.
Okay.
And then you will guess which body part it is.
Okay.
Okay.
It's gonna be very hard because you're a blob, so everything I touch it's the same.
Anyway, so I think this is gonna be a fun video. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Before we begin, my special announcement, we have a travel channel now. Link down below, go ahead, follow it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of videos we'd like us to do next. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Can I promote my website too?
Go ahead, go ahead.
And also, while Yani is not here, I want to tell you guys that I'm super proud because I launched my...
Okay, so who's going first?
I'll go first. I don't even know if I know in English body parts.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know
Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo.
Bah.
Okay, so Fabio's going first. Let's make it very simple and easy first. Okay, give me your finger. Point.
We're also all covered up, so it's gonna be...
Well, you can uncover yourself, I
Okay.
guess.
Wow, you're breathing heavily. I'd like to touch it again. But leave it there 1 second.
No!
Okay, I felt some hair, so it's your cheek.
Okay, no, it's not.
It's like this thing.
Nope.
The jaw.
No, yes, okay, it is.
Okay, what was it?
Here, in my jawline.
Oh, your turn.
Okay, my turn.
The other way, Yani. You don't even know
It's
how to
fine,
put
it's
a
covered.
face mask on. Jeez. Okay. Ready?
I'm scared. Why am I scared? What is that? It feels so weird if you don't see it. What is that?
I don't know.
I think I know your elbow. Also, why does it smell like Vicks and everything and all the oil?
You don't need to worry about that.
5 years old.
I'm just gonna point it and then you just do it.
Okay, okay, let's do that. Maybe we should undress ourselves. It's getting
We're not
hot in
making
here.
it like 50 Shades of Grey.
Okay. Can you see?
No, obviously.
Wait, hold on. Point it like this.
You're under boob.
No!
Do it again, 1 second. Oh, it's this.
No!
Yeah, cause it's hairy.
No, it's not.
It's very itchy, so
Is that the only one that's hairy?
do it again. It's your armpit.
Yes.
Disgusting, bitch. I hope you weren't deodorant.
I didn't.
Okay.
We should change. We're not we should not wear jeans.
Wait, put it like this.
Why am I scared? What? What is that? Your mouth! It's your mouth! It's your mouth! It's your mouth!
Wow. Close. Pretty close.
Why is it every single time I touch there's an innuendo, a sex innuendo?
It was closed.
Why am I scared? It's your mouth. It's your lips.
That says it all about my kisses, guys. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
I was right.
Yes. It was the in between my two toes.
What?
The big toe and the other one.
What? Okay, ready?
Yes. I felt your mouth opening. I could hear because your jaw is like. Was it your mouth? Was it gonna be your mouth?
No. Can you just touch it?
I have to try again.
Okay, wait.
You cannot stop my finger.
Okay, rest it there.
Jesus! Come on. It's your tongue.
No.
It was wet, so I don't know what part.
No, it's not wet.
It was very wet.
It's not. How was that?
It was very wet.
No, it's not.
Listen, and then you made me touch it like this. Like, how can I even recognize? I need to put my finger in it.
Okay, put your finger in it.
And just hold it.
Okay, put your finger in it.
Where is it?
Don't stop moving.
I need to leave with the finger. What do you not understand, Valentina? It's very soft and kind of like it feels like, you know, when you know when a mango is like very ripe and it, like your finger goes through it.
Can you just guess what it is?
I think it was your stomach.
Yes. I hate you.
I need to think about it. Just here. Okay, go. Wait, I'll guide it.
Your tongue.
No,
it's your
not.
tongue.
It's not.
Your tongue. It's your tongue.
Yani, it's not.
Why am I scared? It's just your
Straighten
body
your
part.
finger, because otherwise I cannot.
Ew. It's your nostril.
No.
It's your nose.
Why? What made you feel like that?
There's a hole again. Why is there always a hole? Which one? Huh? It's your mouth, lips.
No, again my lips.
It's your lips.
No, it's not.
I don't know. What is it? What? I knew it. It's your finger.
I did this. I didn't do this.
Who are you, Jesus Christ?
And I licked it first because I wanted it to be wet.
Disgusting.
I feel you breathing. I could barely.
So why did you do this then? Just let me guide your hand.
Because I wanted to hurt you.
Don't.
Okay, I'm gonna stay still, but you cannot remove my finger right away. You need to leave it there where it is. It's very soft.
I'm not a flob, a blob.
Let's touch it again.
Okay.
There's some hair getting involved. Like everything I touch about your body is hairy and soft. So I'm guessing it can be the thigh or it can be the cheek.
Try again.
Okay. It's your bicep.
No.
What is it?
This. Open it.
Bitch. That's your thigh.
It's not. This is the thigh.
Okay,
this
but
is the knee.
Yeah, but whether you make me put it in there or if I touch here, it's not that I can say like, oh, it's the outside edge of the kneecap, 5 inches above.
Okay, maybe we should let it stay there longer and go deeper.
Exactly.
Then. Okay.
Oh, almost threw up in my mouth.
Wait, I gotta think. Can you see?
Oh, what can I see? I see black universe.
Wait.
Are you doing CrossFit? I don't understand why you're breathing that I felt your pants going down. So I don't know where you want me to touch you, but this is not for front of camera. Nose.
How do you know?
Because you have a weird thing going on up here. Wait, because I cannot see.
Your eye?
Oh, almost. Okay, be more precise.
Underneath your eye.
Wait, let you touch again. Straighten your finger though, because I'm scared that you're gonna poke me in the eye.
Your crease. Eyelid.
But inside or outside edge of it?
The
Touch it again.
outside, the outside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hmm.
The inside.
It was my chin hole!
His chin is so deep that I thought it was an eye.
It's my third eye.
Okay. Don't push. Stop. Just stop. That's it. That's it.
Come on, bitch.
That's it.
I didn't even feel it.
Huh?
I didn't even feel whatever.
Because you keep on moving.
Oh, it's your nipple.
How do you know?
Because it's like, you know, when you have a pimple and you that's exactly how
Okay,
it feels.
your turn. Last one, a very intense one. Your tongue.
No.
I love it. I did not feel a thing, Fabio.
Because I didn't, I was still deciding, that's why.
Come on. Put my entire point in there. Again.
Straighten your finger though, cause I'm... Don't wiggle cause it hurts, bitch.
What do you mean it hurts? It's your eye? Your eyelid.
No. Touch it again.
What the hell?
How does it feel? Like soft or...
It's very soft with hair. It's this. It's underneath your...
No, bitch. Come on. Straighten.
What is it?
I'm scared you're gonna hurt me.
What is it?
Don't wiggle it cause it hurts me.
How does it hurt you? Your lips.
No.
Give up. Which one is it?
This you'll never know. You'll find it in the video.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't think that this video would make us very entertained with ourselves as well. So this was a very fun video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Pardon my hair.
It's cute.